Can we build a neighborhood mail campaign in under 2 minutes? Let's try. I'm Nate with Post Now. Let's get started. Once the campaign builder is started, start by giving your campaign a name. We're building a neighborhood mail campaign, so we'll select neighborhood mail as our mail type. Choose the induction date, which is the day we will send your campaign to Canada Post. And since I've sent a campaign before, I'm going to use one of my existing build audiences. We'll select a audience down here that's about 7,500. That will automatically fill in the value of the size of your campaign, and I can choose to mail to all households one time today. From there, I'll choose a format. I'm going to go with a 6x12 postcard today. As it goes, I can see my campaign rate, which includes my design, my print, my mail prep, and my delivery to Canada Post, as well as my final postage rate to deliver these to the households I've targeted. I'm going to select from a template gallery, and so as I scroll down here, here's a few options. I can expand these to view the full as well as the front side or the back side of each of these. To select, I'll choose the box, and from there, I'll leave a note for my campaign. I'm going to agree to the terms and conditions, and if everything's good, I can generate my campaign and check out. Once the checkout page has loaded, I can review my order one more time, use a credit card that may be saved, or enter a coupon code. And then once that's done, I'll agree to the terms and conditions for the website processing, and then place that order. At Post Now, we're making direct mail simple. Start sending your own neighborhood mail campaigns using our online platform. If you haven't created a free account, check us out.